Hello friends and welcome to my class Umar's Learning Hub. And in our today's class we will take a start from exercise 6.3 of chapter 6, which is known as logarithmic expression and functions. And we will take a start from exercise 6.3 question number 1, and we will do some of the parts of some questions. Uh, so the question number 1 says write as a single logarithm. These are the two logarithms. So we will do with a single logarithm. So the first part says log 2 5 plus log 2 3. If you know the power rule, the power rule says, or the quotient rule says, when with same basis the logarithms are being added, the coefficients of the both logs would be multiplied by each other. So log 2 5 is to 3, which is 15. So our last answer is log 2 15. And the second part says 3 log 5 2 plus log 5 8. Same, the power rule, which says if the coefficient is before the log, it will come on the coefficient's power. So log 5 2 cube plus log 5 8. And the log 5 2 cube is 8, 2 times 3, 2 times 2, 2 times 2. And log 5 8 plus log 5 8. The Gaussian rule will again come, and then log 5 64, because 8 to 8 is 64. And then the F part says some selected parts we will try to learn. So the F part says 2 log 7 1 over 4 plus log 7 1 log 7 8. So again we will apply the power rule, which is log 7 1 over 4 power 2. 1 over 4 power 2 is 1 over 16, and plus log 7 will be written as it is. So log 7 1 over 16 plus log 7 8, and then these two will be multiplied by each other, and by simplifying them we will get the final answer log 7 1 over 2. We are done with question number 2. And then question number 2 says, but 2 says simplify. Simplify, and the first part says log 2 56 minus log 2 7. So we will then again apply the quotient rule, and then log 2 8, because 56 divided by 8 divided by 7 is log 2 8. Then log 2 2 cube, because 2 cube is 8. So log 2 2 cube, then 3 will be our answer, because if this 3 will be come before the log, and this whole is equal to 1, so 3 is to 1 is 3. Then the second part says log 3 15 minus 1 over 2 log 3 25. Then log 3 15 will be written as it is, minus log 3 25 power 1 over 2, because we will apply again the power rule. And then the log 3 15 minus log 3 5. Then the 15 and 5 will be in division, because it is subtraction method. So log 3 3, which is equal to 1. Then the question number 3 says simplify again. And there's I think there's only one part of question number 3, and selection part. Then 2 log 5 3 minus 1 over 2 log 5 4 plus log 5 8. So again we will apply the quotient rule, and the log 5 3 square minus log 5 4 4, which is square of 2. So 2 square power 1 over 2 plus log 5 8 will be written as it is. Then log 5 3 to 3 9 minus log 5 2, and plus log 5 8. So these two means log 5 9 and log 5 9 and plus log 5 8 will be multiplied by each other, and minus log 5 2 will be written as it is. So 9 is to 8 is 72. So log 5 72 minus log 5 2, which is log 5 36, because 72 over 2 is 36 by simplifying them. So I hope that you get the point, and in our next class we will uh, continue our exercise 6.3. I think only two questions are left. So we will take a start from new exercise also. So take care. Love.